Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. We can now access the rail pressure sensor. Remove the rail connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Then connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. The boost sensor is located under this cover. To gain access, remove the two fir tree clips holding it in place. When removing the clips, take care not to drop these into the engine bay as they can release sharply. Remove the boost connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on the releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Reconnect the fir tree clips holding the cover in place. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Start the engine and ensure the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. If you have any questions, please contact us.
I'm a fool for you.